Bhimkund Waterfall is located at Keonjhar. It has a stunning natural environment which is encircled with lush green forest. The majestic Baitarani river provides this beautiful waterfall. This waterfall has awesome experience to the visitors due to its speeding current which makes the environment smoky. The huge roaring sound of waterfall makes this place most interesting among tourists. This is considered to be the most sacred place in religious point of view. Local people gather here during Makar Sankranti in large numbers. Mythology is that Pandavas were staying some time here during their religious expedition. The nearest railway station is at Harichandanpur, which is 37 km from this place. The nearest airport is at Bhubaneswar, which is 200 km from this place. This place can be approached by road through State Highway number 11, which connects Keonjhar and Panikoili. So this is it. If you have liked this video, to like, share, comment and subscribe this channel. Hope to meet you soon in the next video. Thank you.